Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about basic programming of Arduino. This is the top view of our Arduino board. Now to program this board we need to have a software called Arduino. This is easily available on internet. You can easily download it. So first we'll open this software. This is the first window which is visible. It has two sections. First is void setup. This is void setup and this is void loop. If you guys observe that there are two brackets, two sets of bracket, curly braces. See, this is first and this one is second. So in this void setup, first of all we are going to declare our digital input output pins. So this is done by writing pin mode, like I want to declare pin number 13 as output. So I will write 13 comma output. Okay, please make sure that the M of mode and output is in uppercase. Since this programming is case sensitive means the capital M and small m are treated as different things. So we need to write PIN in small, mode with M capital, 13 comma output. Okay, this 13 means pin number 13. Output means that this pin is declared as output, and after each command there is a semicolon. This semicolon determines that this command has ended. Okay, so this is the first step, which is known as declaration of pins. We can declare multiple pins in this, like I'm declaring another pin mode, pin number 2 comma. Okay, so pin number 2 is also declared as output pin. See, this is pin number 13 and here is pin number 2. Now since we have declared our pins, now we need to give output to our pins. So we give output in void loop. This is void loop and we write those command between these two brackets. So we will write digital in small and then write WRITE with W capital. Okay, and then round bracket open, 13 comma high. So this command means that a pin number 13 goes high. Since in digital input output we have only two possible cases, either on or off. So in this case on means high, and if I write here low, this means off. Low means off. Now if you want to give pin number 2 high, we will write digital write 2 comma high, high in capital, and then semicolon. Okay, now we need to compile this sketch. So this button is of compile, that is verify. We will click on this. It will ask us to save. So I will give it a name and save it. And the sketch start to compile. This is the progress bar. It will search for errors. If there is any error, the sketch will not compile. See, in this case, there are no errors and compilation is completed. Okay, after compiling, we will connect our Arduino board to our USB port and then we will click on this button. Okay, before uploading the program, we need to make sure that our Arduino board is selected. Like when we connect our Arduino board, this port gets activated and we need to select the port. And next step, we need to select the Arduino board. There are different types of Arduino board. In this case, we are using Arduino UNO. So we will click Arduino UNO and then we will upload our program to our Arduino board.